This is Rick Ridings in Jerusalem, where we lead a 24/7 prayer center called Sukkot Hallel that looks out at the Temple Mount and the Mount of Olives and Mount Zion in Jerusalem. I'm very excited to be able to come to Batam in the month of October, the 9th to the 12th, for the Southeast Asia prayer consultation. And we really believe God is bringing together leaders from Southeast Asia in His timing that's very important, and that it is part of the restoration of all things, that God is restoring these ancient routes that went to the Southeast Asia, bringing back incense and spices and gold from Southeast Asia to the Middle East, but more particularly to Jerusalem, where they were used even in the temple here. And I believe they're a picture of what God is doing now, that He's bringing the worship and the prayer, the ministry of His people from Southeast Asia all the way back to Jerusalem to have a great impact, to prepare the way for the coming of the Lord. So I invite you to this conference to be part of preparing the way of the Lord.